bada boom. I'ma get it to the room. And I'm running out fast, I'ma get it out soon. Now I'm bumping that gas, y'all smoking on the fumes.
Go forward a little bit and then it'll fucking start to flex. Slow down. There you go. It's a bit better. Have a look at that loop.
Yeah, that's mad.
That's not even off the ground, bro.
No, that wheel didn't come off the ground at all. Mine will.
Yeah.
Those fucking long arms are pretty cool.
I'll try to get that mud flap off now.
Wherever the drill you.
No, I don't have long arms, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like what rear steers on.
Yeah.
Have you got long arms?
Yeah,
I'm
blow
probably
no
gonna
to
put
the
it
pass
in.
and I get it. Running fast and me pass in a minute. Why you starting? I'm already at the finish. Wreaking havoc, I'm a menace, call me Dennis. Going out, get the back, and I'm ready. Walking out in the back, call me Betty. All black with the bait, now Betty. Load out on the front like a Betty. Your bitch take it down, now she on the stretcher. Know you do it good, but I know you do it better. Rewind, beaming up a new height for the new guy. Get it up for the one, for the two times. Beaming up a new height for the new bitch. She said to me the good love. She said to me.
There's your other mud guard. Just a lap. Go forward. Perfect. Stop wearing that, can't call that fashion. Posting shit, now you got me laughing. My serious is a heart attack. Now take a step back before you make it crack. Think you tough, but I know you can't handle that. Think you tough, but I know you can't handle that.
Asked me why I'm doing this. But even if I told you why, I doubt very strongly that the knowledge would change anything at all. But let's say that I take the time to explain it to you. What do you think would happen then?
Blood brothers, now we bound at the hip. Trying close, gotta get my fit. Got the hoes, now they ducking in the dip. Turn it up, get it loud for the kid. Get it loud for the kid, now I wanna be the best. And I got them in the best, so the energy inside of me is spinning out my head. So you wanna find me, then you'll find the best dress. Always cleaning up my mind, every day it's a mess.
Yeah, bottled up with emotions. I take you down and look in your eyes. I just think I'm the one tonight. Give me your hand, take off, let's fly. Acting big, now you're acting shy. Yeah, you're acting shy. You're acting shy.